If I told you that 10 push-ups a day could completely transform your body at any age, you'd probably think that's not enough to matter. But here's the truth. It's not about the number. It's about what happens inside your body when you show up every single day. In this video, I'll break down what actually changes, why this works even if you haven't worked out in years, and the one mistake that keeps most people from seeing results with push-ups. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I post new shred fat videos every week to help you burn fat faster, eat smarter, and build a stronger body without starving yourself. If I told you that 10 push-ups every day could completely transform your body at any age, you'd probably think that's not enough to matter. But here's the truth. It's not about the number of push-ups. It's about what happens inside your body when you show up every single day. In this video, I'm going to break down what actually changes, why this works even if you haven't worked out in years, and the one mistake that stops most people from seeing results with push-ups. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I post new shred fat videos every week to help you burn fat faster, eat smarter, and transform your body without starving yourself. Why 10 push-ups a day actually work. Let's get this out of the way first. Doing 10 push-ups every day is not about getting jacked overnight. It's about building a daily exercise habit that your body can't ignore. Push-ups are one of the most effective bodyweight exercises you can do. They work your chest, shoulders, triceps, core, and even your posture muscles, all at once. When you do push-ups daily, your body adapts through something called neuromuscular adaptation. That's a fancy way of saying your muscles and nervous system get better at working together. And that leads to better muscle activation, improved strength coordination, increased muscle endurance, even with a small number like 10. What changes in your body? Let's talk about the real transformations people notice. 1. Upper body strength improves. Your chest, triceps, and shoulders start firing more efficiently. Not bulky. Stronger, tighter, more defined. 2. Core strength turns on. Most people don't realize push-ups are a core exercise. Daily push-ups teach your core to stay braced, which improves balance and stability. 3. Posture improves. Strong push-ups strengthen the muscles that pull your shoulders back. Less slouching. Less neck and shoulder tension. 4. Muscle endurance increases. You don't gas out as fast during daily life or workouts. Stairs feel easier. Carrying groceries feels lighter. This is especially powerful at any age because you're training the body to move better, not just harder. Do push-ups every day burn fat? Here's where people get confused. Do 10 push-ups a day burn a ton of calories on their own? No, but they ignite fat loss indirectly. Daily movement improves. Insulin sensitivity, muscle activation, metabolic efficiency, more muscle activation, equals sign higher daily calorie burn, dot. More consistency, equals sign better fat burning signals. This is why consistency beats intensity every single time. 10 push-ups today are better than the perfect workout you never start. The biggest mistake people make. Here's the mistake that stops results cold. People do the same 10 push-ups the same way forever. Your body adapts fast. If you want continued transformation, you need progressive overload, even in small ways. That could mean slower push-ups, better form, pausing at the bottom, elevating your feet, or gradually adding reps over time. The goal isn't to crush yourself. The goal is to challenge your body just enough to adapt. How to do this, the smart way. Here's the simple, sustainable approach I recommend. Start with 10 push-ups every day, no pressure. Then, focus on perfect form, keep your core tight, control the movement. After a couple weeks you can add 2-5 reps, break them into sets, or upgrade the variation. This turns push-ups into a daily fitness habit, not a motivation battle. And that's where real body transformation comes from. Why this works for beginners and any age. This is why push-ups are so powerful. They're a no-equipment workout. They can be done at home. They scale to your ability level. Whether you're a beginner over 50, getting back into shape, or just want a simple routine, push-ups meet you where you are. And the confidence boost from doing something every day? That spills into nutrition, movement, and mindset fast. Push-ups. V as the gym. Here's the truth most people won't tell you. You don't need the gym to transform your body. You need daily movement. Muscle activation, consistency, push-ups. Check all 3 boxes. The gym can help. But habits come first. So can 10 push-ups every day completely transform your body? Yes, if you treat them as a daily discipline. A foundation habit, a gateway to more movement. Small daily habits compound faster than extreme plans. Start small, stay consistent. Let the results stack. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe to Shred Fat, and drop a comment below. How many push-ups can you do right now? Before you go, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a Shred Fat tip.